Don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon before going into the video. Hi guys. Welcome to Mini Dream Tech World. First of all, open MS Word. Select a new blank document. Type the text that you have to upload for your relevant project and follow these simple instructions. Click on View tab and select Macros in the Macros group. Then click the option Record Macros in the following list. Add any name for the macros name. Next, click on Keyboard, and now we have to set up a new shortcut key. For this, I could use any shortcut keys. For example, Ctrl-Q. Avoid using common shortcut keys. Next, I have to select whether I have to save these changes in this particular document or for all the future documents. I will select for the current document. Next, press Assign button and click Close. Now what's happening is, Microsoft Word is recording everything I do in the document. Now I'm going to select a text, bold, underline, and make it uppercase, and finally stop the recording by going to View tab again and select Stop Recording. Now I can check whether my macros are working by using the shortcut key which I used. Finally, you can save your document by selecting File tab or using the Save icon at the top left corner.